In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your design in Canva. Adding GIFs is a simple way to bring motion and personality into your graphics, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or short videos. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any type of project, an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or even a video canvas. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different options like templates, elements, text, and more. What you want to click on here is the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps all sorts of design assets, including shapes, graphics, photos, and of course, GIFs. After you click on Elements, you'll see a search bar at the top of that panel. This is where you can find specific items within Canva's library. Click inside the search bar and type the word GIF. Make sure it's spelled correctly, just GIF. Press enter or simply wait a moment and Canva will load a collection of animated images for you. You should now see lots of moving images appear in the Elements panel. These are your GIF options. You can scroll through to explore what's available. If you're looking for something more specific, like a funny cat GIF or a thumbs up GIF, you can type that into the same search bar to narrow down the results. When you find a GIF you like, it's time to select it and add it to your design. To do this, simply click once on the GIF in the panel. Canva will automatically place it onto your canvas, usually in the center of your current page. From here, you can treat the GIF just like any other element. Click and drag the corners to resize it, or drag it around to position it exactly where you want it on your design. You can layer it over text or images and align it using Canva's guides for a cleaner look. Once you're happy with the placement and size, your GIF is successfully added to your design. When you download, make sure to choose a format that supports animation, like MP4 or GIF, so the motion is preserved.